Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail the simple 3D modeling in AutoCAD 2022. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So in order to start that how to draw a 3D model in AutoCAD, so you can simply change the work space of AutoCAD from this drop-in to the from this drafting and annotation to the 3D modeling. When you open the 3D modeling workspace of the AutoCAD, so you will see you can see here is the tools has been changed from uh, the tools that are available for the uh, drafting and annotations, so it has been changed to the 3D modeling tools. So you can see, so these are the different tools which can be used to draw a 3D model. So if I want to draw a 3D model, so I will click on the polysolid, and now I will click. As you can see here in the command line, it required to specify the starting point or the object height width. So I will just click by default here, and now you can see the object is going to be created. So before going to the modeling, so we will change the view. So the view to be changed from the 2D wireframe to conceptual. So now you can see the layer. So I want first I will delete so this and will draw a new. So we'll click on the polysolid. Now you can see in the command line it required to specify the starting point. So for me that is this should be a starting point, and now it required to specify the next point, as you can see in the command line here. So let's suppose this is the second point. Now it requires to specify the next point. So this is the next point, and now as you can see in the command line it requires to specify the next point. And now also it requires in the command line you can see to specify the next point, like to draw a line. So in drafting and annotation it is a line, but in 3D modeling it is like a wall, a 3D object. And if I click on the enter, so the command will be deactivated. Now you can see the command of the drafting of polysolid has been deactivated. And also, if you select the object and want to change the size of the uh, object, if you click on we unselect it and then we want to click, this is the press pull. You can press or pull your object from the in desired directions. So if I click on the press pull, now you can see this plane, the top plane of the object. When I click, now you can see it can be pushed or it can be pulled downward or can be pushed upward. So if I want to make it pull to this level and click enter, you can see it has been extruded to a certain distance. And now if I want to press L, so we'll click and then you can see, and I want to press till this point. So this is the easiest way to push or pull or press or pull any 3D object. So if you want to draw another, so you click here and then now you can see this is the 3D modeling. You can model your desired object in 3D by using these tools. And when you click on the enter button, so the this command will deactivate. And if you want to delete, you will select and click on the delete. And if you want to delete this, will select and click on the delete. So now this was all about that how to draw a simple object, a 3D simple object in AutoCAD. Now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and you can also draw a cube from here, box. We'll click on the box. Now you can see in the command line to specify the first corner. So this is the first. Now it required to specify the second, and now it required to specify the third point in order to draw a desired cube, your desired cube. So if I want to click here, so this is the cube, and you can also change the dimensions after drawing it. So you can extend it in this direction or in this direction, or you can even extrude to some desired level. So depending on the requirements, you can do and draw any 3D object or model in the AutoCAD. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section.